All right, hi everybody, welcome to Jaffa Cooks. It's lunchtime in my household today. Everyone's hungry, nothing really prepared. So I'm gonna go to the kitchen, found some fajitas a couple of days ago and made those. So today I'm going to make a quick and easy quesadilla. So here we go. Okay, so quickly, very simple to assemble a quesadilla is I'm gonna go directly into the pan instead of putting onto a plate and then transferring onto a pan. Lay your flat, it consists of two tortillas, and here's my fajita that I created a couple of days back. If you want the recipe for the fajita, you can get it from the link below. And it's very quick, it takes about 30 odd minutes to basically prepare. There is some, to cook basically, there is some preparation time. And it's really easy. Once you've had all the ingredients set up and pre-cut, then it's just basically assembling the entire dish together. So, and a quesadilla is a really quick and easy lunch. You can prepare it also for school kids for lunchtime. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to spread this around evenly. There's not a great deal left over, but this will do for a couple of hungry kids. And you could really put some additional mushrooms if you've got anything left over, maybe a slice of beef or something like that. Just add what you want and how much you want. There is no rule to cooking. Every household has its own way of cooking. And this is why I tell everybody, there is no rule to put whatever you want in your fajita or your dish. Whatever's left over, use it. So now my quesadilla is ready. I'm just going to put another fajita on top. And that's it. All we have to do now is put it on the stove. Okay, so all we're going to do now, I'm going to transfer this over to the hob, turn it on, just make sure it's on, and then cook it for about 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. Bearing in mind, it depends on your mixture. If it came out directly from the fridge, it'll be cold, so it may take a little bit longer. I left mine outside for about a good 10 minutes before I started assembling my quesadilla, so it may take a couple of minutes. So we'll cook it for a couple of more minutes, just to make sure it's browning off evenly at the bottom. Yep, it's looking good. Normally quesadillas can be eaten on their own, but if you want to serve yours with sour cream or guacamole, you can do that as well. If you want the recipe for guacamole, it'll be down in the description below. So I'm just now, a lot of people, this is where you're going to have to now flip the quesadilla. So there are two ways around it. Either if you're bold enough, you can basically flip it over just now, as is, or you could use the normal safer mode, which is transferring it onto a plate. So I'm just going to put it here, turn that gas down, transfer it onto a plate. So to be very safe, it's very simple. So I've got a quesadilla which I turned into the plate. I'm going to put my pan over the top and literally just turn it upside down. Turn the gas back on. And no need to even touch the plate. There you go, as simple as that. You can see that the quesadilla is browning off. Okay, my quesadilla is about nearly ready. So once it's ready, all you have to do then is transfer it over to a chopping board, cut it up, and serve it. Right, my quesadilla is done. All I have to do now is slice it up and serve. So, just like a pizza really. There you go. Nice and cheesy. Lemon squeezy. Thank you for watching. Let's just finally serve this up with some sour cream. And again, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you again.